Finally, a live hands-on leak of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 verifying the much-anticipated new feature has surfaced. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has now shown on Geekbench 6, which is the first report of the day before the hands-on unveiling. It received a single-core score of 1845 and a multiple-core score of 5083. These results, which will undoubtedly rise with additional optimization, are nevertheless respectable and about in line with what we would anticipate from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Unfortunately, other than the availability of 12 GB of RAM, it doesn't really corroborate anything else. The 7.6-inch, 120Hz internal display has a resolution of 2176 by 1812, while the 6.2-inch, 120Hz exterior display should have a resolution of 2316 by 904, according to the complete specifications that were also released by Snoopy Tech on Twitter. We get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of storage. A 4400 mAh battery powers everything, and One UI 5.1.1 is installed on it. We have a 50-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto, a 12-megapixel ultrawide, and 2 selfie cameras. A 5-megapixel one embedded in the display and a 10-megapixel one with a punch hole. Ice Universe has confirmed in a tweet that there is no crease in the middle of the Z Fold 5, despite earlier speculations to the contrary. Given the new water drop type hinge, there should be some improvements to the crease, but regrettably it will still be noticeable. Samsung was unable to eliminate this flaw, therefore it will continue to exist. Ice Universe has now informed us that the Z Fold 5 does not fulfill the IP58 standard, which means it will not be dustproof and will continue to have an IPX8 certification for water resistance. Before we check out the hands-on, we have some good news. The Z Fold 5 will be less expensive than its predecessor, according to a tweet from Lika Ravagnas, but the Flip will continue to remain the same pricing. The price of the Z Fold 5 will be somewhat lower than it was last year, maybe by up to $100, which would indicate that it could go on sale for as little as $1,699. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.